Hi guys, it's kneewah. It's been a while since I've turned on the camera, so I feel very awkward right now. Okay, I'm over it. Hi guys! So today the video is going to be a very nostalgic one because I decided to recreate my Berry Peachy makeup tutorial 2021 version, because this look predominantly is my default makeup. The one look that I feel confident in no matter what. The Berry Peachy look for me has evolved over time. I still use the same colors, products have changed and techniques have changed, but it's still Berry Peachy. So I want to show you guys today. Okay, I've already primed my face using the Florasis primer. Contains SPF 50, which is perfect for the summertime, and it does make my makeup last the whole day. So I've already put that on, and I also have a cushion foundation from them. This is the Lotus Skin Nourishing Cushion, and as you can see, the packaging is bomb. It is an innovation, really. Like, I've never seen packaging like this. I can honestly say the packaging for these products are immaculate. They are just stunning. The craftsmanship is just unbelievable, and I was really impressed when I first saw these products. But they work really well too, so I will not be using the cushion because, as you can see, my complexion has gotten a bit darker. And so it's the summertime. I got a bit tan because I've been out and about enjoying the sun, you know. So I will be using another foundation. Do you guys see that tan line? So when I had this idea of recreating this look, I watched back the old video, and a lot has changed since the Berry Peachy era. Like, for instance, I was just looking at my spine. I just looked like, I mean, I was 17, 18 at that time. I'm 22 now, so it's been a long time. And back then my mind was so much more. Like, now I feel so bland, like lifeless. Like, everything's been sucked out of me. And also, if my voice sounds stuffy or if I just sound a bit sick, it's because I have hay fever. I wanted to keep it really, I wanted to have the same sort of vibe as the first original video. So I wasn't wearing contact lenses, and I played K-pop in the background, so that I'm gonna do that. Copyright, sue me. So the concealer that I used is a mixture of the MAC Pro Longwear and NC15 with the foundation that I used to get a bit darker. And still my face looks a bit brighter than my body. I got really tan, oh my god. And also, has my hair grown longer? Do you guys think my hair's grown? Please lie. Yes, it has, right?
Right.
Next, powder. I'll be powdering, setting everything. Gorgeous peach blossom powder. And the way you open this, it's so fun. Look, watch here. Do you know how long I spent like trying to open it? Because it wouldn't, you have to twist it, right? I was pressing this button, it doesn't go in. I was pressing it, and I like even tried to like open it like this, but then suddenly it twisted and you open. Ta-da! Yes. Alright, so now I'll do my eyebrows, the Florasis eyebrow pencil. The shade is a little bit darker than what I usually would do, but it is right on par with what I used to do. I love pencils that have like this angledness. It's skinny and it's really tiny, so it works well. It's good, it's good. Are any of you guys like this? I always watch the same shows over and over again because I like knowing how things are gonna end. And I know, like, I do watch like new stuff obviously, but like I typically only really watch things that I've already watched. Recently I've been obsessed with watching Real Housewives, and I just finished watching I finished watching Beverly Hills, and then I moved on to Atlanta.
Security, bitch, get out.
And I finished that too. Well, whatever's on Netflix. I wish they freaking uploaded more so I didn't have to like search for it online. Before that, I had a period of time I was just obsessed with Haikyuu. I think Haikyuu is probably like my #1 comfort show anime. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why. It's just so comforting to me. I just find it really cute how they're all so motivated, and it makes me feel like crap. Okay, that pencil was really nice. Yeah, My eyebrows are darker than usual, but we move. I like it. I really like it. My editor just texted me. She's like, are you gonna send the videos in today? Because I've been putting off filming this for the past week because, as I said, I've been feeling like shit. Wait, have I said that? Well, I said it now. I've been feeling really weird lately. A bit of a slump. I'm fine. Moving on to eyes, I am using this beautiful palette. Damn, Florasis have set the bar for packaging. All of their products are extracted by flowers, and if you see this craftsmanship, oh my god, you're gonna gag. You're gonna gag. Are we serious? Are we serious? Like, it is so intricate and so beautifully crafted. Like, honestly, I was so scared to even use it. Do you see this? What the fuck? It smells like nothing. So we good. I have sensitive eyes. I have sensitive skin in general. And these are perfect for the berry peachy look. So start off with shade number 3, and I'm going to wash that over my eyelid. So now I'm going to be taking this shade right next to it, shade number 2, and applying that on my eyelid. That's so pretty. Shade number 7. I'm just going to put it on the outer corner and kind of define my eye shape. So now I'm going to draw that line under my eyes. Do you guys have any like video requests or anything that you really want to see? Because I have some ideas, but I'm not sure what to film. I'm very indecisive, so if you guys let me know, then it would be really helpful. Now I'm gonna be taking the same shade, number 7, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of number 1 as well, and then I'm gonna use a smaller brush, a small flat brush, to line the outer corners of my eyes and also the inner corners, like tight line. So I'm using the same 2 shades, mix it up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my bottom eyelash, but then when I come to about here at the edge of my eyeball, what's this called? Iris? My eyeball? No, this is my eyeball. What's this? Iris. What the hell? Let me Google this. Now let me know. I can't be bothered. There, about there. I'm going to stop and I'm going to flick it outwards. Let me just show you. Then I'm gonna take shade number 6, this peachy pastel color, and I'm just gonna apply it in between this end and this end. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna do it off camera because yeah, so BRB. So now that I have lined my eyes, I'm going to smoke it out a little bit. So I'm using the darkest shade, number 1, in this palette, that one, and I'm going to go over the eyeliner to make it a bit more smoky. Now, in the past few years, my YouTube career, I haven't been very consistent with my uploads, and like, I guess there is some sort of regret, but then not really, because I would never want to do something that I didn't want to, that I didn't set my heart fully to. So even though sometimes I'm like, maybe I should have just continued on with YouTube after the berry peachy tutorial, I just didn't think about that clearly. But yeah, it's been years, and now my channel is collecting dust. I removed the dust and it's not the same as before, you know. When people tell me that they've watched me since then, it just makes me feel really happy that like you kind of like watched me grow in a way. I will be applying false eyelashes, and the lashes that I'm using are these, Eva by Doll Lash. I mentioned this on my Instagram as well because I got a lot of DMs asking for my lashes. They're really pretty. I go through phases with lashes. I'm not sure what it is. Sometimes I feel like wearing huge lashes, and then other times I'm like, you know what, let me just stick to mascara. And then other times I'm like, I want some like natural lash. Can't commit to just one look. I really like TXT lately. Their new album, Freeze, is so good. And I really like the title track of the song. But then I also like Anti-Romantic. Then I also like Magic. The freaking Studio Chum dance thing for Magic. I watch that when I'm like doing ab workouts and stuff. And it motivates me to pick up my head so I can watch the dance practice. TMI. I'm just keeping it real. Oh, it's just like magic. Just like magic. What else is new with me? Nothing really. I'm so dead. Okay. So now I'm gonna use shade number 4 in my under eyes. I don't normally use mascara on my bottom lashes, but today I feel like it, so I'm gonna do it. Uh-oh, that didn't feel right. Let's use the sculpting contour palette. So this is a golden highlighter, this one is a pearly iridescent highlighter, this one is the contour shade. Now we have this peony rosy blush. It's a beautiful dusty rose, well I guess peony rose blush. Oh my god, I love it. So I ended up going ahead and lining my lips because I need help in that department. And so now I'm going to be putting on lipstick. And Florasis have the most insane lipsticks I have ever seen, ever. It blew my mind. Like, it is so fucking pretty. Like, I'm so scared to put it on my lips. I've tried one previously, but literally it killed me to even put it on because I kind of don't want to touch it. But the shades are right up my alley. I love, 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 love shades like this. And you guys know that I am obsessed with bricky, peachy kind of colors. So these are perfect for me. And so first I'm going to start off by using M303, which is a rosy kind of pinky kind of color, to just lay the base. I'm obsessed with this color, are you kidding me? Now I'm going to be using shade number M217, which is a bricky red, like a warm red. Yeah, it's a bit warmer. I love it so much. I love it so much. Alright, now I'm going to highlight. And I'll be using the contour palette again, but I'm going to use the gold one. I like how it's more on the natural side. Why is that so hard to say? It's more on the natural side. So it just looks like I'm glowing from within. Love that for me. Last touch, obviously. Gotta draw the mold. And now we are all done. Okay, so I'm all done with my makeup. Thank you so much to Florasis for sending me your gorgeous products. I love them so much. So you can find the links down below. And also, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you'd like to see. And have a very peachy day. And I forgot how much I enjoy just sitting down and doing my makeup and talking to myself. Well, to you guys, but to myself. So I really hope that you guys have the best day ever, and I will be back very soon with another video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.